In the spirit world, I saw something. I saw Egypt planning to attack Israel. But what I saw, if Egypt would dare to attack Israel, I saw Egyptians running away for their lives. Let's pray for peace. Let's pray for peace. Let's pray for peace. As well as Lebanon, I saw Lebanese people running away for their lives. Not just like attack which is happening from Hezbollah and Israel responding, attacking also. But I saw Israel attacking Lebanon because of Hezbollah actions. And let's pray for the peace, because I saw Lebanese people running away for their lives. Let's pray for peace. Let's pray for peace. Let's pray for peace for Jerusalem. Let's pray for peace for the whole world. Jesus is coming very soon. Jesus is coming very soon. Oh, what is happening? It is a great sign to show that Jesus is coming very soon. Let's pray for peace. If Egypt would dare to attack Israel, like the way I saw in the spirit world, I saw Egyptians running away for their lives because of the response from the military of Israel. Let's pray for peace. Let's pray for peace.